Hello, good morning friends. Yesterday night I placed all the utensils in my Midea 14 plates dishwasher systems in program P5. Now I just show you what is happening with the utensils. More thing, when you open it, if you are in a hurry and you have to open the dishwasher after you wash, be careful. Do not open the dishwasher facing your front face in the front. You have to just backside yourself and just open it in this way, because hot air with very hot air comes and it can damage your face, because in P5 settings the required degree of centrigrade is 55 degree. It is somehow very hot. Just see the settings. The pod is finished and just see the uh, this is the tray is fully covered. You can see the dishes within a night. By hand wash, this type of finishing can't be getting or available. It is very helpful as your home helper for the people who have their assignments in many walks and all that. This is the aluminium. You can see some stains are there, little bit. Actually, there is a sprinkler system, and from there, uh, this is done. The sprinkler system. Hot airs are coming like the tea garden. Just see the steel, the shine. By hand wash, it can't be. You can't get it. To detaching the upper tray, you have to. This is the setting. You can see the glass, how it is clean, and the cups is a new style. And you can have a look of the settings, how you have to arrange the items in it. The metallic shines and all that are intact. It's formed. Stainless white cup. Before I clean it in dishwasher, there are some stain in our cup. Now you can see. You can, if you purchase it, you can use your maid or your home helper to some other work, because washing your utensils to someone who is not using it, I think it's not a hygienic practice in the modern day, and their labor can be used in some different direction. Okay, that Indian style, in Bengali we call it chakni. I don't know in your language what you are saying it. You can see it by doing the teas, milk teas. There are some stains and it removes it, because 55 degrees is not a matter of joke. I can show you the spoon. Okay. Okay. Thank you.